Hey guys, hope you are doing well. Today is Memorial Day, so Memorial Day, thanks again to all of our folks who've served, past, present, and future. If you're thinking about going, I think it's a great idea. Anyways, real quick here, I'm going to try to make this as short as I can. So what we're going to do is we are looking today at the euro and the US dollar. And this is on a 1 hour chart. This is live going on right now. Well, before I get into that, I just want to pan down so you guys can see this here. So this is just today. The auto trader picked this up. The trade was made automatically. You can see entry price, time frame. We were only in this trade for about 3 hours or so, give or take. 4 hours almost. Anyway, great opportunity there. Again, the auto trader picked that up. Automatically made the trade. It's awesome. So what we're going to do is we're going to just real quick, we're going to go ahead and draw out our support and resistance lines. So we are going to start here. And again, take the highest high, lowest low. You don't want to start here because that is where the trade is currently happening. So you don't know what's going to occur there. But let's try to see if we can predict it. So again, highest high, lowest low. So we'll just start here. And then we will go back again. You can start to see where I'm clicking on these. That's the lowest lows. And then we go over, and then we look at the last highest high. Now you can see here, right, this is very interesting. You guys just saw me draw this one. That is, you see how that ended up being the lowest low over here. I didn't even need to draw it because it just did that on its own. That, again, just what it does. So we'll just scrape through highest high, lowest lows, and we'll just put a couple more here. I'm trying to slide over so you guys can see this. Okay, so then we go here, that's done, highest highs. Now again, this is a 1 hour chart, and you can see here is the lowest low that we can see on that chart. Now this goes back to May the 19th, okay? So if you start to look at this, and again, we start to see the patterns. Now look what's going on here. It has broke through this other support and resistance line. You see that? It's already done that. And guess what it's doing? It's running down. And if you look back over here, it did the opposite here. Just a few days ago, did the same thing. Broke through the level here. And that became the down here. And then it buffered in between. Then it shot back up. And you can see this. Just what goes on. So this is, again, guys, this, I know this is probably beating a dead horse here with this. But what's going to happen is there's a very, very high possibility that this trade is going to run down into this area here with this line that we just drew, and it will probably bounce back up, and it will start to head north or continue on a downward trend past this and create another new support and resistance line. My estimation is that it will come down and flirt with this area, and then we'll probably try to go back up to this previous support and resistance line that we drew here, that it was having, you can see, it was having difficulty in this area maintaining that. It did not know what it was going to do. It went up, couldn't break through this other level, which conveniently was the lowest low here. So if you look, again, what we want to do here, if indeed it does crash down to this, remember these are hours, you can just check this every hour. Just open up your computer, just check it out, see what it's doing. It will probably go to here, and then it will more than likely bounce up. Now with this bounce, this is 500, I'm sorry, not 500, but this is 50 pips. So again, what we want to do is you want to take 30 or 40% of that, which would be 250-ish range, 240-ish. Now, if that's a standard account, that's $250. That's not too bad, you know. This is what goes on. The auto trader makes the trades by itself. You can see, again, the trades today. Anyways, good luck, guys, trading. Let me know if you've got questions. Cheers.